In Singapore here, we've got the F1 that comes every September. So we know that's going to be an international event, and it's going to really affect how the city operates. So understanding that 12-month cycle at a minimum within a city and having that data that's rolling forward allows then to create a data, I call it data oasis, because it's a compilation of a lot of data lakes coming together. That will in turn drive a digital twin that allows the civil engineers to actually engage in master planning of the city. And they can look at current statistics, like what happens if population increases or decreases. And then if so, I'm planning this development and I need to lay groundwork by, trenching fiber or laying additional sewage lines and additional roads. Sizes may be large enough or not large enough. Are there enough medical facilities and schools in the area and housing? Things like that, things that really are imperative to properly plan for a city and where it grows and how it adapts and evolves over time. Having that unified system that provides that repository or data oasis then in turn drives a digital twin where the mayor can show what's happening today in real time, and data scientists can run on a parallel instance of that and start to play with it. What happens if the sea level increases? Right, and starts flooding areas that we didn't anticipate because of global warming or some other potential. Having that twin and having that basis of data that comes together really leads into the next phase of how the cities plan and the future of how they're embracing artificial intelligence to help them drive those results and really see what changes could be or what happens if they make investments in certain areas.
It kind of brings up one of those kind of downstream goals, larger goals that you would want to get to with digital cities, which is to build that digital twin. If you can have a full, if you have enough of your city instrumented and you know what's there and what the capacities are and such, you can build a virtual simulated version to start to run what if scenarios. And, what if we decided to host the Olympics or the Super Bowl in the Americas, or if F1 came and it was bigger and the city of Barcelona hosts Mobile World Congress, which is like 40,000 people that come in for a week and then leave. That, it changes everything about how the city runs. How do you plan for one burst that is so big? Digital city would really help with that, as opposed to just a paper and pen sort of exercise.
You're spot on. I mean, this is exactly the challenges that cities are facing. And one of the other key elements or critical elements there is really, they don't know where to start a lot of times. And really what's key is getting that alignment to what a city leader is kind of trying to accomplish. And that usually falls down to like, whether it be the Office of Technology and Innovation from their CTO leads that, to actually how individual departments are running.